G'day, how are you? And hope you are enjoying this December weather. Yes, we're in December when I'm filming this. We've just fitted, and as soon as I bring the camera out, everyone disappears. We've just fitted some D7 Pros on this mighty fine 2020 Adventure. Just thought I'd quickly do a quick video about how the D7 Pros work with your CANsmart or Hex Easy Can. Because the D7 Pros, probably one of their flaws against some other lights that you can get that we've recently shared. But the customers wanted a B6, so that's a brake light on the back, a split sound bomb, and then also D7 Pros. Whilst you might think that's kind of like 4 channels taken up on your Hex or your CANsmart, don't think that at all, unless you want it run in a different configuration to what this customer wants. And essentially what the customer wants is these lights indicating as and when they're activated, as and when the indicators are activated, and then the top lights running as normal lights kind of thing. Obviously then the B6 running as and when you press brake, and then the Denali sound bomb as well. Interesting setup, but this is what we've done. So D7s run all the way through, as you can see here on the CANsmart configuration tool. This is how we've set this up. So probably could have run it a slightly different logical manner in terms of red and blue as indicators, and then the yellow as something else. And obviously this is what we've run. So the Denali D7 Pros, the outer ring, so to speak, normal lights are on a light pair, and then the inner lights as DRLs kind of thing, they're set as indicators. So that's 3 ports for a pair of D7 Pros, and then we then got the horn. But you say, where's the sound bomb? Where's the B6? Well, here's the B6. The B6 is on here. So on another, so we fitted 2 Easy Cans, or 2 CANsmarts. So we fitted 2 CANsmarts on here. Easy access, neatly distributed as well in terms of wiring. I suppose what we could have done to ease the load of the CANsmarts is put the D7 lights on one, and then put the indicators on the other, so to speak, and accessories on the other. But customer's preference to run it like this. Again, a bit like everything, if you want a copy of the config, just let us know. So the D7 Pros, in terms of the outer lights, in terms of the outer bulbs, they centrally meet into the middle, in the middle of the bike, and then we then run a single wire down to the CANsmart into the yellow channel. With the indicators, we then obviously then run a single wiring harness either side, and as you can see just underneath, you can hardly tell something exists apart from that telltale sign there. But neatly stored away. It's one of the things that we do. We take pride in our work at Motor Wales. Some other bikes there. Well, you've got demo in the back there, doing some stuff. But yeah, D7 Pros. So let us know how your configuration elements are working with the CANsmarts, Easy Can, or even motor lights, and also how you're running your D7 Pros, or even if you want a quote for D7 Pros or a bundle particular thing, because our bundles, whilst they're online, they can be configured slightly differently to your needs. But yeah, let us know, motorwales.co.uk, on socials, etc. Adios amigos. Cheers for now.